in there.
Put what?
This. Here. This.
Well, why? What's wrong?
You're gonna get sick.
What is it?
It's because you put this back on your ear.
Why? What's wrong with it?
Could you put it back on your ear?
What's wrong with it?
It's getting it off.
But there's too big of a hole.
But it's smaller than you.
Did you stretch it out? Did you make that hole?
I didn't get it out.
Did you make that hole?
I just can't get it out.
Did you make that hole bigger though?
I didn't make the hole bigger.
Okay. Can you check my ear and make sure everything's okay? Okay, check it. Where are you going?
I'm trying to get the wheel.
No, check my ear.
No.
Want me to put this back in?
No.
Can you do it for me? I can't see.
It's too big.
Too big?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
It just got
Is it in there?
did it
Where is it at?
here. I just can't get this
Where's the earring?
here. Put right there. Put right there. I can't see anything.
You can't see anything?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
It just got off.
Yeah, you want me to put it on?
Yeah. I can't do it.
Oi,
I can't do it.
you can't? Is it in there?
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This phone.
You have that phone?
And this one.
Who's on the phone?
There's no other phone.
Did you call me today?
No.
Ava, calm down. What are you doing? Why? My ear hurts.
Your ears hurt.
It hurts. Just joking, it didn't hurt. Ava, does your ear hurt?
No, my hair. Ow.
What?
What are you going to do right now?
Nothing. Probably go home.
Can you take me to get a pair of shoes?
I don't have money.
I know my mom's going to transfer money. She told me to tell you to call her.
Oh my gosh.
Do I have my How May I Help You shirt on?
I wasn't talking to you.
Oh, I was just on that. This guy's on the shirt.
That's a totally different question. She's right up the street. I can't even walk back.
What do you need? Well, then why don't you just walk there?
Because I need your, because she's going to transfer money into your car.
Oh, yeah.
And you can hop on the freeway and stuff.
Hey, get out of there!